Hello everyone, I am Manchunani and I have been an intern at Foundation for Smart Manufacturing internship at BVM, Birla Vishvakarma Mahavidyalaya, and this is my project. It is a PC based inspection station for the parts which have been manufactured. This project basically eliminates the need for manual inspection of maybe handwritten tables or even maintaining Excel sheets.
This entire project was developed at Birla Vishvakarma Mahavidyalaya Center of Excellence in Digital Manufacturing, and it was guided by Dr. Vinay Patel, Professor Priyank Bhojak and Professor Deepak Patel. The contributions to this project were made by Vansh Malani.
This is a software that connects a digital vernier caliper via a USB cable and maintains logs of every measurement carried out by the user sitting over here and measuring the different parts which have been manufactured. This currently supports 4 types of parts, 1 shaft and 3 types of housing. So let's walk through the software and see how it works. Currently at the first page you will get an option for user entry. This will create a session and it will mark every kind of measurement you have made with your roll number and ID. So it can check and map of who measured which device. Then there is a check device button that once you press the data button on the caliper, it will detect the caliper's presence and it will continue the program forward. Then you can see that this is a professional workstation which has video guided instructions on how to measure different housings. So there are 3 types of housing. One is a oval based housing, one is a square based housing, and one is an angular housing. So it supports all 3 types of housing. If I go into oval housing and if I enter the ID, let's suppose 23, then it will give you proper instructions on how to measure the height and the appropriate different dimensions. Currently it is showing me the video on how to measure the height. So I will take the housing, I will open the caliper enough so that it will go into the height of it. I'll go inside properly and I will take my measurement. It's at 12.67 millimeters. I just have to go over here and press the button. It will measure that, move to the next page, show me the instruction for radius. Then I'll again take the caliper, take the radius. I got it around 23.3 millimeters. Press over here, press the data button, and within 5 seconds I can measure any product with the proper dimensions and accuracy and proper mapping with the timestamp of who did what measurement. So then I can press on submit measurement. It will show me what would you like to measure. Let's see the measurement if it has been recorded or not. I'll go again, enter my roll number and I'll enter my name. And I'll do the check device. It went, and over here you can see there is a button for past measurements, and it can see that it identifies the roll number, product, housing type, housing height and housing radius. So this basically will maintain the logs of every part that a user measures throughout the session. It can be the housing, it can be the shaft, and it will properly map that this is the product ID, this is the measurement. Thank you.